Now that you have your domain name and web hosting set up, let's go ahead and connect everything together. So go to namecheap.com and then just sign into your account. When you sign in, it will take you to your dashboard, and then just click on the domain name that you want to hook up to your web hosting. Just click Manage on the right, and then up here in the right, click on Advanced DNS. Here on the top row, domain name server type, it's set to Namecheap default. Let's just hit Edit here on the right, and then click on Custom. And now after clicking on Custom, we now have these fields where we can put in name server 1, name server 2. And so if we just hop over to that HostGator email that we got, it has right here name server 1, and name server 2. Then just hit Save Changes.